The 2013 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, front, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.